I would like to wish all our Hindu brethren happy Raksha Bandhan. Like an invisible thread, our love binds us together, making sure we'll remember where we came from and what we mean to each other. Wishing you a joyous Raksha Bandhan.
Brother ties Rakhi to protect his sister. We, the Franciscan Hospital Sisters, are here to tie Rakhi to a tree to pledge and protect and safeguard our common home, our Mother Earth.
As the month of August arrives, Indians all over the world get anxious to know the date on which Rakhi occurs. Rakhi lets boys and girls to behold their relation as brothers and sisters, despite of any kinship. The festival of Rakhi has its roots right in the epic of Mahabharata. Sri Krishna has an aunt named Sruta Devi. She gave birth to a deformed child called Sisupala. Elders reveal that Sisupala would be killed by the same person whose touch would bring him back to normality. One day, Sri Krishna came to his aunt's house. As Sruta Devi placed her son in the hands of Krishna, the child turned to be handsome. Though his aunt was happy to look at her kid, she was frowned to know that his death would be in the hands of Krishna. She pleaded Krishna to pardon her child, even if a situation comes where he should be punished. Krishna was moved by her plea and said, "I will excuse him for his misdeeds, but I shall certainly punish him if he crossed the mark of 100 mistakes." Sisupala has grown up to be the ruler of Chedi kingdom. He is now a ruler and a relative of great Krishna as well. But he used to be very brutal. He used to torture people in his kingdom and clashed with Krishna very often. He once started to abuse Krishna before the whole court. That was it! Sisupala on that day has crossed his limit of 100 mistakes. And so did the patience of Sri Krishna. Krishna aimed his Sudarshan Chakra at Sisupala. Such was the case when Sisupala has risked his own life despite being warned to be good. As Krishna charged the Sudarshan Chakra in a range, his finger got cut in the course. Everyone around Krishna has rushed to bring something to tie around the wound. But Draupadi, who was standing there, did not hesitate. She immediately teared a piece from her sari and wrapped it around the wound of Krishna's finger. "Thank you, dear sister. You have come to my rescue in need. So will I help you whenever you are in trouble," assured Sri Krishna to Draupadi. This incident has led to the ritual of Raksha Bandhan. In later times, Krishna indeed kept his word by rescuing Draupadi when the Kauravas tried to insult her in full coat by dragging her sari. From thereupon, sisters were tying Rakhi to their brothers, and brothers in lieu would assure to look after their well-being throughout their lives. Other than Rakhi, a few more festivals take place on the full moon day in the month of Shravana. Some change their sacred threads called Jandhya on this day. So it's also called as Jandhyala Purnami. People in Odisha and West Bengal place the idols of Radha and Krishna in the cradle and swing them. Thus they call this day as Jhulan Purnami. Some states in North India sow the seeds of wheat on this day and they call the ritual as Kajari Purnami. The people in the states of Kerala and Maharashtra call this day as Narali Purnami, as they worship the sea god. Though many such festivals were celebrated on this day, the prominent one that's celebrated all over the country, without any doubt, is Raksha Bandhan.
Good morning everyone. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day in the month of Shravan. On the auspicious occasion, sister ties a sacred thread called Rakhi on her brother's wrist and brother make a promise to protect the sister. There is no other love like love for brother, and there is no other love like love from brother. So, a very happy Raksha Bandhan to one and all.
ભાઈ બહેનનો નિર્બળ નિસ્વાર્થ પ્રેમ એટલે રક્ષાબંધનનો પર્વ. ભાવ સ્નેહનું સતત સર્જન. અદકેરું બંધન એટલે રક્ષાબંધન. રેશમનો તાર એક અનોખો સાર, ભીંજાય એમાં આખો સંસાર. આમ તો આ એક સૂતરનો જ દોરો હોય, હેત ને લાગણીથી રાખડી થઈ જાય છે. એક અતૂટ બંધન. દરેક મિત્રોને રક્ષાબંધનની હાર્દિક શુભેચ્છાઓ.
Raksha Bandhan is the Hindu festival which celebrates the bond of brotherhood. Sisters tie Rakhi on the wrist of brother. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. Happy Raksha Bandhan all brothers and sisters.
Festival of Raksha Bandhan is a major festival celebrated in India. In the word Raksha Bandhan, Raksha means to protect and Bandhan means the bondage of love, affection and care. It is a day when brothers makes a promise to their sisters to protect them from all the troubles. He gives her a gift and she offers him sweets. Raksha Bandhan strengthens the bond between brothers and sisters. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all.
कान हरावे लिबड़ी, कान झुलावे पिपड़ी, भाईनी बेनी लाडकी, भाई झुलावे डाडकी. We sisters can also celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Happy Raksha Bandhan. The festival of brother and sister is celebrated on the day of Purnima in the month of Shravan is known as Raksha Bandhan. Sisters tie a bracelet that is a beautiful design string on the right hand of their brother.
Raksha Bandhan is Hindu festival that celebrated the relationship between brother and sister with their families. This festival is marked for brother and sister to strengthen their bond of love and care they hold in their hearts for each other.
भोली भाली चा पानी गुड़िया जैसी तू, प्यारी प्यारी जादू की पुड़िया जैसी तू. डैडी का मम्मी का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है. सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है. सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है.
Raksha Bandhan is a festival which celebrates the bond of a brother and sister. This festival is celebrated in the Hindu religion. It is one of the most important festivals. In addition, sisters and brothers wait eagerly for it all around the year. People celebrate it with abundant zeal and enthusiasm in India. It does not matter if you are a kid or an adult, brothers and sisters of all ages celebrate Raksha Bandhan.
कच्चे धागों से बनी पक्की डोर है राखी, प्यार और मीठी शर्तों की होड़ है राखी. भाई की लंबी उम्र की दुआ है राखी, बहन के प्यार का पवित्र धुआं है राखी. हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन.